We have kinky edges. Do y'all see these edges? Like, this is coming out of my scalp. This looks so real. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy. That's Khrissy with a K. Today I am coming with a wig review for you guys. And I didn't curl this wig. I didn't do anything to this wig except like straighten it and shampoo and condition it. But I gotta go. This wig is from I Like Hair. And thank you guys so much for sending over this wig. I appreciate you guys. I'm gonna show y'all how I put this wig on. I love this wig. I think this is probably like my favorite wig of all time. Seriously, I get why the girls are excited about this kind of wig. I didn't want to do anything because this looks like my natural hair. I'm gonna walk you guys through, tell you how I feel. Give this video a thumbs up for me, hit that subscribe button, and let's jump in.
So this hair is from I Like Hair. It comes in this nice orange bag for storing, and it comes with all these goodies for styling your wig, and it also comes with this elastic band and this adjustable band so you can wear this wig glueless if you choose. This is a human hair wig that is a nice kinky texture, and it is 18 inches. This wig also comes with kinky edges. This is the HYPERREALISM Kinky edges to mimic your 4C type hair, and I'll talk to you guys in a bit.
Hey my friends, so we are here and I am so excited about this wig. Y'all, do not judge me. I am coming to you without a bonnet on, without my hair prepped and everything, because I wanted to show you exactly how my hair looks. Like, I've been playing with this wig all week. This is seriously like my hair. My hair, I did shampoo it, I conditioned it, and this is what my hair looks like. The reality of this review is that I have kinky hair. I have 4C. I kind of blow dried it a little bit, you know, all that. But I wanted to show y'all I have edges that look like probably yours. My edges are thin, okay? That's the reality. My edges are thin, but they're kinky. They're kinky, they're type 4C, and this is what I walk around looking like kind of all the time. Okay, I comb my hair a little bit, but this is what I walk around looking like with my hair. I do not straighten it, so this is my natural hair, and it's flourishing, okay? So let's go ahead and talk about this wig. So I'm excited about this wig because, first of all, I'm about to install this wig and wear her to work all week. I'm getting older, my edges are thinning out. I mean, probably wearing wigs and all that is making it do that, but I've been trying castor oil, vitamins, not even wearing wigs, headband wigs, whatever you put in the comments, I probably tried it. I'm excited about this wig because it looks like my hair. It looks like my hair 10 years ago. The edges are natural, they're kinky, and they're looking like my hair. Now off camera I did go ahead and I bleached the knots. I tried to bleach the knots. I don't bleach too many knots. Y'all know I do synthetic wigs on this channel. I bleached the knots a little bit and it's looking like my natural hair. This is a bold move, showing y'all these edges and everything and the thinningness and all that. I told y'all I will come back with an updated review of what to do to fill in your edges. I don't know. If you know, drop some comments. I'm gonna try vitamins or something. Oh shit. Something, but I don't know. I really don't know. I think it just happens over time. So I'm excited about this wig because I've never seen a wig with edges that look like this. And I know y'all probably seen a lot of reviews. I'm late to the game, but I'm excited. So I'm gonna slick back my hair and then I'm gonna install this, but I want y'all to see what this is looking like. But seriously, this is my hair. Oh my God, look at this. Y'all, these edges are my edges. Come on now, look at that. I've really been hyped with this wig because my whole life I've been waiting for a wig like this. Okay, let's go ahead and install it. I'm gonna play a little bit of music because I'll be watching the time. Y'all don't watch the whole videos. So I'm gonna install this wig and then we're gonna talk about it, okay?
So I'm gonna start my install with my hair nice and slicked back. I'm gonna use this Got To Be Glue gel and this She Is Bomb edge control. Normally, if I wasn't using a wig, I would have went in with my Topic and filled in those edges, but we have a kinky edges wig, so we don't need to do that. I'm gonna go in with my wig cap because I want it nice and flat. I start off cutting the lace. That's just the lace in the back. I kind of thought it was pointless, so you just cut it off normally, and then let's install this wig. But seriously, let's appreciate the edges. The edges are full, they're flourishing, they're looking like my hair. So I like to cut the lace off with a razor and my scissors, and this is what it's looking like. It was like already melting into my skin. It was looking just like my scalp. So a razor creates more of a jagged edge, and that's what I'm using. I was so impressed. I could have went in glueless, but I'm gonna go in and secure it and melt it. So I started off with my Ebin Black Can. This is a temporary adhesive. Use whatever adhesive you choose to use if you want to melt it. I kind of forgot that my black can was running low, so I had to switch it up and use the red can. They both give a great hold, but the black can is just slightly stronger. I wish I would have sprayed more under the lace, which I'll explain in a bit, but this is what the process looks like with securing it on top of the lace. So I like to press it in as I'm going, and that lace was just melting. And then I go in with my blow dryer for just a few minutes just so the wig isn't sliding back, and then I'm pressing in the lace as I go just to get more of a better melt. This HD lace is the truth. It's definitely going to give you a great melt. So then I go in with the elastic band that was provided, and I melted some more as I'm styling the wig. So the day I put this wig on, I was really rushing and I didn't have time to put any curls in it, but I wanted a real natural look. I wanted to go in and just look like I just freshly blow dried my hair. So I just went in with my TYMO brush just to kind of smooth out the hair a little bit, and this is what it was looking like. I like the fact that it didn't take out all the kinkiness of the hair and it still looked really natural. It didn't make the hair too silk and silky, and this is exactly what I would do on my natural hair, guys, on my wash days, and this is what the final look is looking like with the hair. So next I'm gonna go in and take that elastic band off. The hair is pretty dry now, and the edges, this is the part that I was talking about where I wish I would have went in with the adhesive just a little bit more under the lace, because it's definitely going to get hard on you. I went in with some alcohol just to kind of take off some of that residue and loosen up some of that hardness of the hair. But when you go in with the adhesive, at least this adhesive that I use, I noticed that I think I was kind of pulling out some of the kinky edges, which kind of defeats the purpose. So I would suggest going in with more adhesive underneath the lace than above it. I'm also going in with this Ebin melting spray, and yes, look at that melt. It definitely melts this down. I also learned to go in and kind of dab the lace instead of just spraying it directly on the lace. I learned this tip from the YouTuber Beige, and the lace is totally melted down. So just a little extra to eliminate some of the cast, I'm going in with my contour stick and I'm just kind of matching the lace a little bit more to my complexion. But honestly, guys, I didn't need to use much. This lace melted like a dream.
Alright, so I'm back putting on this wig, and I know I didn't curl this wig. I didn't do much to this wig except use my TYMO brush. I have a full video linked right here. Y'all, I'm rushing. Y'all know the drill. I'm always rushing out the house. But seriously, this wig is feeling like my hair, and I just want it to feel like me, you know? Like, I don't really leave the house with like full curls and all that glam and stuff, but the way the edges on this wig are looking, the way how natural it's looking, it's just free. So let's go ahead and talk about this wig. I just went with the this flip over method thing here. I don't know, maybe I'll come back and style this wig for you guys, but I needed to come and show y'all this wig naturally, how she's looking in her natural state. This wig is from I Like Hair. This is the Hyper Realism Kinky Edges HD lace front wig, and I get why it's hyper realism, because this is looking like some realism coming out of my scalp. This wig is highlighted because of these edges, and I'm pretty sure you saw these edges floating around, but I get it. I get why the girls are excited. I didn't do anything to this wig except bleach the knots, because the knots did look a little dark to me, but all I did was bleach the knots and it came with these edges. So this is looking like my natural hair, and I'm loving it. I'm loving everything about this wig. This wig is so soft. This wig feels so good. I like the ends on this wig. It's not too scraggly. It's giving me minimal shedding. It's shedding a little bit, but I think it's only because I bleached the hair. This is seriously giving me like every single kinky straight synthetic wig I have reviewed, but a human hair version. This is giving me Nisha, Dasha. What do we like? What wig was that? That Janet Collection one that I didn't like, that kinky straight 28-inch wig. This is giving me Katya. This is giving me Shanice. This is giving me every single synthetic wig dupe that you fell in love with. This is giving me, but a human hair one. And on top of that, we have kinky edges. Y'all see these edges? Like, this is coming out of my scalp. This looks so real. So again, y'all, I'm rushing out the house. The family's waiting on me, so I didn't have a chance to style this wig or do nothing, but I'm really liking her like this. I'm liking her in her natural element. This wig is the bomb. I get why this wig is so hyped up. It's not hard. It's like, I've tried kinky straight human hair wigs and I've returned them because they were so hard and they felt horrible, but this wig is fluffy and she's just right, y'all. They did stress to me not to straighten out these edges, and I get why, because with a wig like this, that's why you're getting a wig like this. Like, you want to enjoy your kinky straight hair, and my edges do look like this, and I didn't have to sleek these edges. I didn't have to do anything to these edges because this looks like my hair. This seriously looks like my hair. I am here for it. I want a curly hair wig like this. I want a kinky straight wig like this. I want a curly hair wig like this. I want all the wigs with the kinky edges because this is my hair. I didn't have to swoop any edges. I didn't have to do anything except just go. Because of this lace, this HD lace, it is totally melting. This looks like my scalp. It is coming out of my scalp. I did go in after I secured this wig with this Ebon New York Wonder Bond melting spray, and I totally recommend this because I feel like it does kind of melt the lace after you do secure the lace. I feel like this is good for melting, so I do like this, and I figured out how to use it. I absolutely do recommend this after you get your adhesive spray. Get this melting spray because your lace is going to melt. I recommend this. I went in with minimum powder to match the lace, but I think that's because I did bleach the knots. You can go in with this wig glueless because I wanted to get the maximum melt with this wig. I did go in and secure this wig. It's a lot of nice parting space in this wig. You can part, like, look at that. You can part this wig in the middle. You can part it on the side, and it goes up to about there. This is a 13x4 wig. I did shampoo this wig. I did condition this wig, and that's why I went in with my TYMO iron and try to flatten it out a little bit. I didn't want to flatten it too much because my hair looks like this, and I'm here for it. I probably will style this wig in another video, but right now I have to go. This wig is under $300, and I think it's totally worth it. This company does offer like that 4 installments where you can pay installments on this wig. So yeah, pay installments. I totally recommend her. I do have a coupon code for you guys. Boop, that's the coupon code. Oh, I'm looking like a hot mess on this wig review for y'all, but this is what my hair would look like if it was blow dried, so I wanted to show y'all. Leave some comments down below if you guys want to see kind of how I style this wig, I guess. Like, I think I need to curl her. I think I need to give you guys that. But if I blow dry my hair, this is what it would look like. Like, let's be real. This is what my natural hair is going to look like. So I wanted to give y'all that. Again, huge shout out to I Like Hair. I totally recommend them, and I want to try more units from them. Drop some comments down below. Let me know if you tried a kinky edges wig, but I'm late to the game, and I get why the girls are excited. Until next time, I'm going to talk to y'all later. Bye.